Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to add signature in Yahoo Mail. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, to add signature in your Yahoo Mail, all you need to do is simply tap open your Yahoo Mail app, and once you open it, all you need to do is simply tap on the settings option. After doing so, simply go down and tap on more settings, where on the left hand side of the corner you can find the writing email. So there you can find the signature section where you can type in anything that you want to create your signature as. Once you have typed it, you can simply go back and tap on the compose option to write an email. So now as you can see that whatever email you compose, the signature will be automatically present in the email written. So in this way, you can add signature in Yahoo Mail. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.